Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Daddy Finger. Chicken drumsticks, which are made from chicken legs, is the most favorite starter in all the restaurants. It attracts kids more than the adults because of the name drumstick. Also, it gives the most delicious smell and taste. You can deep fry these chicken drumsticks in oil or grill them. Take 1 kg of chicken leg, around 8 pieces, and make some deep cuts. These deep cuts help the masala to go in and also the legs cooked well and make them more juicy. Marinate the leg with lemon juice and keep them aside for 2 hours. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. Mix them well with 2 tablespoons of oil and make it as a paste. Mix the chicken legs with 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add the marinated paste and keep mixing. Add 1 egg and mix well. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix them well so that the masala is applied all over the legs. Add salt for taste. Let it marinate for 3 hours. You can now deep fry the chicken leg in oil or grill them in an oven at medium heat, 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Yummy chicken drumstick are ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.